గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. నమస్తే. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయంగా ఉందా? ఏ మాత్రం భయపడకండి. రెగ్యులర్స్ ఆర్ హియర్, యూ డోంట్ వరీ. ట్రిగనోమెట్రికల్ వాల్యూస్ని కేవలం మీ ఫింగర్స్తోనే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, చూడండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లిటిల్ ఫింగర్ 0 degree value. This is the ring finger 30 degree value. This is the middle finger 45 degree value. This is the index finger 60 degree value. And this is the thumb finger 90 degree value. Root of below fingers by 2 is the sine value. Then sine A is equal to root of below fingers by 2. Then sine 0 degree value. Then first 0 degree value. 0 degree mean little finger. Little finger below fingers is 0. That's why root of below finger is root 0 by 2. Root 0 is equal to root of 0 square. Square root cancel by 2. Then 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Sine 0 degree value is 0. Next sine of 30 degree value. Then sine 30 degree mean this finger is the ring finger. Ring finger below fingers is 0. Only one finger is there. Then root 1 by 2. Okay. Ring finger below finger is only 1 is there. That value is root of 1 below finger 1 by 2. Root 1 square. Square root cancel by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Next sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees is equal to this one finger, middle finger is a sine 45 degrees. Middle finger below fingers is 2 fingers is there. Then root 2 by 2 is equal to root 2 by 2 into root 2 by root 2. Why I will take root 2 by root 2? Then numerator plus is root 2 is there. Then denominator plus is also 2 is there. Numerator place is multiply the root 2 by root 2. Then numerator place is not root value is there. Denominator place is value root value is there. Then root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 square by 2 root 2. Square root cancel. 2 by 2 root 2. 2 is cancel. 1 by root 2. Okay. ఇక్కడ 2 వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ 2 వాల్యూ ఉంది. న్యూమరేటర్ ప్లేస్లో రూట్గా ఉంది. ఆ న్యూమరేటర్ ప్లేస్లో రూట్ను తీసేసి మంచిగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే తీయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది కూడా కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to sine 60 degree mean index finger is the 60 degree finger. Index finger below fingers is 3 fingers is there. Then root of below finger 3 fingers by 2. Then sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Then next finally sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees is a thumb finger. Thumb finger below finger 1 2 3 4. Then root of below fingers root 4 by 2. Then root 4 is equal to 2 square by 2. Square root cancel. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 mean 1. Sine 90 degree value is 1. Okay. Then I replace submit. Sine 0 degree value is 0. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. Okay, is it clear? Next cos values. Okay. Above fingers by root 2. This is the cos value. Cos A is equal to root of above fingers by 2. That is the cos value. Then find the cos 0 degree value. Cos 0 degree is the little finger. Little finger above fingers 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Then root of above fingers 4 by 2. Then root of 4 is equal to root 2 square by 2. Square root cancel. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Cos 0 degree value is 1. Okay, next. Cos of 30 degrees. Cos 30 degree is the ring finger. Cos 30 degree is a ring finger. Ring finger above fingers 1, 2, 3. Then cos 30 degree is equal to root of above fingers 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, cos of 45 degrees. 45 degrees mean middle finger is a 45 degrees. Middle finger above fingers 2 fingers is there. Then root of above fingers 2 by 2. Then root 2 by 2 is equal to root 2 by 2 into root 2 by root 2. Why? Because I will take root 2 by root 2. Root 2 by root 2 is equal to 1. Mathematics fundamental rule ప్రకారం ఏదైనా కానీ మనం ఒకటి తీసుకునేటప్పుడు అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూ చేంజ్ కాకుండా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. రూట్ 2 by 2 into 1 is equal to root 2 by root 2. Root 2 by 2. No value change. That's why I will take root 2 by 2. Then root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 whole square by 2 root 2. Square root cancel. 2 by 2 root 2. 2 is cancel. 1 by root 2. Okay. Next, cos of 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal. Cos 60 degree mean index finger is a 60 degree. 60 degree below fingers is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 above. 60 degree above fingers is only 1 is there. Then cos 60 degree is equal to root of above fingers. Above finger is 1 by 2. Root 1 is equal to 1 square by 2. Square root cancel. 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Next, cos of 90 degrees is equal. Cos of 90 degrees. 90 degree mean thumb finger is a 90 degree. 90 degree above fingers is 0. Then cos 90 degrees is equal to root of 0 by 2. Then root of 0 square by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Cos values. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Next, cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Then next, cos 90 degree value is 0. Okay, is it clear? Next, tan values. Root of below fingers by root of above fingers. Root of below fingers by root of above fingers. Okay. Then tan of 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value. First, root of below degree. Root of below degree. 0 degree below. 0 degree below fingers is nil. Then root of 0 by root of above fingers. Above fingers is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then root 4 is equal to root 0 is equal to root 0 square by root 4 is equal to root 2 square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Next, tan of 30 degrees. Tan 30 degree mean 30 degree mean this finger is the 30 degrees. Ring finger is the 30 degrees. Root of below fingers, ring finger below finger is 1. That value is root of 1 by root of above fingers, 30 degree above finger 1, 2, 3. Then root 3. This is equal to root 1 square by root 3. Square root cancel. 1 by root 3 is the tan 30 degree value. Okay. Next tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. 45 degrees mean 45 degree finger is the middle finger. Middle finger mean root of below fingers. Below fingers is 2. Root 2 by root of above fingers. Above fingers mean root 2. Then root 2 is cancelled. 1. Tan 45 degrees is called 1. Next tan of 60 degrees. Tan 60 degree mean index finger is the 60 degrees. Index finger is 60 degrees mean root of below fingers. Index finger below fingers 1, 2, 3. Root 3 by root of above finger 1. Then root 3 by root 1 square. Square root cancel. Root 3 by 1 that is equal to root 3. Next tan of 90 degrees. 90 degrees mean thumb finger is the 90 degree finger. Root of below fingers. Thumb finger below fingers is 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 4 by root of above finger. Thumb finger above fingers is 0. Root 0. Then root 4 is equal to 2 square by root 0 is equal to 0. Square root cancel. 2 by 0. 2 by 0 is equal to denominator place is 0. That value is infinity. Undefinable. That is infinity. Why? Because I will take 0. This is the 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. That value is not definable. That's why tan 90 degrees is called undefinable or infinity. Okay. Tan values. Tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Next tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 90 degree is equal to undefinable. Okay, or infinity. Okay, is it clear? Next, cot value. Cot value means tan value 90 degrees to 0 degree value is cot 0 degrees to 90 degree value. Then tan of 90 degree value is undefinable. Cot of 0 degree value is undefinable. Okay. Tan of 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Cot of 30 degrees is equal to root 3. Next, tan of 45 degrees is equal to cot of 45 degrees 1. Tan of 30 degree value is equal to cot of 60 degree value. Tan of 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Tan of 0 degree value is cot of 90 degree value. Tan 0 degree is equal to 0. Then this is the 0. Okay. Next, cosec values. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A. 1 by sine A. Then cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 by sine 0 degree 0. denominator place is 0 is there, that value is undefinable. Okay, undefinable. Next, cosec 0 value is undefinable. Cosec 0 degree value is undefinable. Okay, undefinable. Next, cosec 30 degree value. Cosec 30 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degree means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 into this 1 by 2 is denominator place is there. Denominator place value is goes to the numerator place. That denominator is numerator, numerator is denominator. That's why 2 by 1. 1 into 2, 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Cosec 30 degree value is 2. Next, cosec 45 degrees. Cosec 45 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Then 1 into the denominator plus 1 by root 2 value is goes to the numerator side. Denominator is numerator, numerator is denominator. Then that's why root 2 by 1. 1 into root 2. Root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. Okay, that value is root 2. Next, cosec 60 degree value. Cosec 60 degree value. Cosec 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 into root 3 by 2 is goes to the numerator side. That numerator is denominator, denominator is numerator. Then 2 by root 3 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 by root 3. Next, cosec 90 degrees. Next, cosec 90 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Okay, 1. Next, values. Cosecant 90 degrees to 0 degree value is secant 0 degrees to 90 degrees value. Okay, then cosecant 90 degrees is equal to 1, sec 0 degree value is 1. Cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3, sec 30 degree value is 2 by root 3. Next, cosecant 45 degrees is equal to root 2, sec 45 is equal to root 2. Cosecant 30 degree value is 2, sec 60 degree value is 2. Cosecant 0 degree value is undefinable, sec 90 degree value is undefinable. Okay, is it trigonometrical values table? Close. I understand. Okay.